Hello, welcome to Pretty Plump and Trying. My name's Amanda. If you're new to this channel, hit the subscribe button below. If you're interested in beauty, plus size fashion, unboxings, and more, today I have my July BoxyCharm for 2021. I figured I would jump on real quick and show you what I got. If you guys are not familiar with BoxyCharm, I do get the base box, which is $25 a month, and they promise you, I believe, 5 to 6 full-size products, which can be beauty, skincare, or hair care, just kind of depending on what's going on in the box. But let's get to it. It's quite warm in here, so I'm going to try to get everything situated, hence the lighting. You know, I don't have the lights on. I'm trying to keep this as cool as I can because this room does not have air conditioning. So let's get to it. The July theme is fantasy. On the back, it does give you a list of the products I received along with the full-size value. Or the value, retail value, not full-size. This is an Ipsy. Sorry. Oh boy. I'm back though. I promise I will get better again. The first thing I got is from Bella Pierre, and it is just a black liquid eyeliner, retailing for $20. And here's what it looks like. This is literally going to my sister as soon as this thing is done. The next item is from Alley-oop, and this is called a Pen Pal. Here are some of the colors. This is supposed to be a 4-in-1 makeup pen. You have a eyeliner in black. You have the highlighter in champagne, a lip pencil in mauve, and a brow pencil in chocolate, or I'm sorry, in coffee brown. So here's the colors that it's supposed to have. And I'll show you what it looks like because it's really cute. It retails for $25. I don't know if it's $25 cute, in my opinion, but oh, it's adorable though. I do love the aesthetic. I remember having a whole bunch of these when I was in school and just loving them. I did try the lip pencil today along with Sugar Rush, Sugar Coat. It's like a velvet matte in Cupcake. I did have that in the middle, so I don't mind the combination. The pencil wasn't the smoothest, but I've had worse. It's really cute. I'm gonna keep it anyway because I love the packaging, and I am a sucker for good packaging, so that's really cute. The next thing I got is from Mamaski. I might be saying that wrong. I probably am, but it is a vitamin infused eye serum. This retails for $63. This lighting's gonna kill me, isn't it? Yeah, but retails for $63. It is ideal for all skin types and is supposed to help with dark circles and fine lines for under the eyes. It does also let you know that the delicate skin around your eyes is thinner and can show premature aging. So this serum is supposed to help with it. Really excited. $63. See, I hope it works because, you know, it's always nice to prevent stuff like that. But also you're like, $63. But you're also not going to be using a whole bunch of it because it's only supposed to go around the eye area. So it might not be too bad. I'm excited. I do like vitamin C serum, so yay. The next thing I got is from Life Co. And this is a detox hair serum. This has argan oil, almond oil. It's supposed to help stimulate, soothe dry, itchy scalps, along with promoting healthy growth, as well as leaving your hair shiny and soft. I probably should have used that today. I did not. It is a retail value of $79. So, I mean, the packaging is really nice. It's simple, frosted glass, but it's nice. I should have used this today. But right now, I don't know where you guys are at. I hope you guys are happy and safe and healthy. But it is humid and it is hot in here, and I cannot hold down the puff right now. So I'm just gonna roll with it and kind of deal with it, natural curls and all, because trying to keep it under control right now it's hard. So I'm hoping it does work. $79. It's cruelty free, which is amazing as well. And yeah, I'll try to use it in my next video so I can let you guys know, like, hey, I used this and whatever other products I try to use. But yeah, I'll definitely try to use this for my next video, so I'll let you guys know how I like it so far. But yeah, really excited about that one. And the last and final thing is from LMR Cosmetics, and this is a brightening and bronze complexion trio, retailing for $25. Let's show you the shades. Okay, we have the brightest shade, or the lightest shade, is going to be I'm Woke. The middle shade is Soltera. I hope so, I'm probably saying that wrong. And the darkest shade, which is supposed to be this one, is Always Summer. I believe I picked this one, so I picked the lightest trio, I believe, just for the fact that I'm more likely to wear some sort of foundation or something in the cooler months, because right now it's just melting off me. Like I'm surprised my eye makeup is still okay at this point, but we do get Alamar quite a bit. I do like them. $25. I mean, I don't use a lot of the product anyway, so this will last me quite a bit, and yeah, I'm excited for this. I will let you know. Again, I'll let you know if I'm trying anything, or hey, I used this palette that I got in this box. I thought you guys might know or should know, so hopefully we'll see. I'll let you guys know. But that is it. Just a quick reminder, you are breathtaking. You are wonderful. You are worthy. And if today's not a good day, that's okay. All you can do is try. I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.